Welcome back everyone. Today's a quick easy one. We're just going to tie a knot. A lot of people have asked me what knots I tie for doubles, to put a double in your line. Okay, for two reasons. One, you can actually wind on leader if you're gang fishing or you just want to wind on. Another one is if you're tying like Albrights or something, you're tying your braid to mono, putting a double in there actually strengthens your knot. Okay, so what we're going to do, I'm just going to do a Bimini twist today. Okay guys, just a Bimini. I prefer to do Biminis in braid. It's quick, it's easy, okay, it's very, very strong. And just before we continue, I don't do Biminis in mono. I don't like doing them in mono. I prefer to just do a plait. A little bit more complicated, but I think a plait works better as it will stretch with your mono. Biminis won't. Anyway, let's just get into it. So I've got some background here, so hopefully it's easy for you guys to see. So what I'm going to do is just going to make a loop, you know, about yay long, a couple of foot long, okay? So I'll just double the line over, just double it over, so it's got a loop about 2 foot long, 2.5 foot, whatever. And make sure you've got a nice long tag as well. So you pinch it here, you've got a tag, that's probably what, 10, 12 inches, 12 inches. So we pinch there, we'll get our 2 foot, okay? Now I'm going to do is put my hand in the loop in the end and just twist. So we're just going to twist them around each other. I'm going to do that about 30 times. I'm not going to count here, I'm just going to guess. Roughly it's about 30. Somewhere between 20 and 30 twists, okay? We're going to keep going here for a minute. And that's about right there, guys. That's about right, okay? So now it's all twisted up. You still got your tag on one end, and you got a little loop on the other. Now what we're going to do is put that little loop over your right foot. Okay, I'm going to move the camera down so you can see what I'm doing. Down to my feet. Okay, now it's over your right foot. Now you're going to put your left foot through the loop and start spreading your feet, okay? What I want you to do is just spread your feet. Hold the top, hold the top too, okay? Just open your feet and that twist now is nice and tight down through there, right? Now what I want you to do, I've got the tag end on my left hand, I've got the main line on my right. So with my right hand, the main line, I want to pull tight. And as I'm pulling tight, with the left hand, the tag end, I'm going to back off a little bit. So basically the left hand one, as you pull with your right hand, your left hand, you back off the pressure and it'll start spinning back down over itself. Right, so I'll pull with the right. Now, you can see how it's twisting over itself. Keep going all the way down until you get to the bottom there. When you get to the bottom, you can just pinch it, right? And now you got your loop and your twist. Now with your tag end, you're holding it. Hopefully you got your twist under here. I'll show you. You're just going to do a half hitch around one leg of the loop. Just to lock it off, guys. That's all I want you to do is lock it off. And then once you locked it off, that's what you should have. Hopefully it won't be too blurry for you. It's adjusting. So you can see single line, then the twist here to your double. And all we've got is one half hitch around one leg. Now we'll go to the other leg, we'll do another half hitch. Okay? So I'll go, just grab the other leg, just going to do another half hitch there. Surprisingly, and you can actually leave it at that. There's your Bimini twist, single to a double. But I prefer just to do one more step. I'm just going with the tag end, I'm just going to make a loop, like so, around the two. Okay, so there's your two on top, there's your loop. Now I'm just going to bring your tag end just back through and around the two, just 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to slide that down. Slide it all the way down, and that's just going to lock off your half hitches. Okay, so there you go. Now you do is cut your tag end off nice and short, and there's a Bimini twist. Nice and easy to a double. Now you can attach your wind-ons or just use that to attach your leader. Just a quick and easy Bimini twist, guys. I hope that helps. Hope you can follow along. And at the end, if you're looking for more tips and tricks, tips, I can't even speak. If you're looking for more, oh, sorry guys, I'll put it on your face. If you're looking for more tips and tricks on fishing, you'll find a tips and trick box just up here. Okay, with plenty more tips and tricks. Go and have a look at that. And I'll see you again shortly in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you then.